Get rid of ants without spending money on expensive products. Make this effective homemade spray using ingredients you already have at home. Prepare a glass container. Pour in about 1 cup of water, which will be the base of the mixture. Then add 3 pumps of dish soap, which helps break the surface tension of the liquid so the spray sticks better to surfaces and insects. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon, which has antibacterial and cleansing properties and also helps repel bugs. Now take a ground powder and add 1 teaspoon. In a moment, I'll reveal what the ingredient is. Its strong scent and natural properties help repel insects and discourage them from coming back. Add about 3.5 fluid ounces of vinegar, which helps clean, freshen, and remove scent trails left behind by insects. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients combine well. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, close it, and your homemade spray is ready. Spray the places where ants appear most often, around the house, in the garden, or on windowsills. It's a quick and simple method that works in no time. And the secret powder is regular ground cinnamon. It only takes a moment to get rid of ants for good. The ants will flee. A home remedy that works better than chemical products. Prepare a small bowl. Take 2 white tablets. That's aspirin. It has more uses than you think. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which irritates ants. Crush each tablet into fine powder. Then pour about 17 ounces of warm water into a glass container. This will help the aspirin dissolve more effectively. Add the powdered aspirin and mix thoroughly. Now it's time for the vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon to the mixture. Vinegar has a strong scent that ants can't stand. It also has antibacterial and preservative properties. Mix everything again. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply to hard-to-reach places. Spray every corner where you see ants. The ants will start avoiding these spots right away and eventually disappear completely. Repeat spraying every few days to keep the effect. It's a simple, inexpensive, and safe method that you can prepare in just a few minutes. Your home deserves it. These balls will save your home. Start with some aluminum foil. Most people associate it with food storage, but it has so many other uses. Tear off a larger piece of foil. Now grab some ground coffee. Its strong smell is a natural repellent. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee. Next, add ground black pepper. It contains piperine, which has an irritating effect. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper to the coffee. The next ingredient is a bay leaf, a natural insect repellent. Take 1 leaf, break it into smaller pieces, and add it to the mix. Fold the foil into a ball, making sure it's sealed tightly. Use a toothpick to poke small holes all over the ball. This allows the scent to release slowly. Place the finished ball near balcony windows to get rid of ants and other insects. It also works great on kitchen counters where bugs tend to show up. Pop one into your wardrobe, too. It'll protect your clothes from moths and leave a fresh scent behind. It's a simple, all-natural way to kick out unwanted guests from your home. Definitely give it a try. In just 1 hour, you can completely get rid of ants. You'll eliminate the entire ant nest without using any harmful chemicals. All you need are 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a lemon. It's the main ingredient in this trick. Then prepare some matches. They're the second key component. The lemon plays a crucial role here. Its juice and peel contain natural essential oils that are toxic to ants and disrupt their communication. Take the matches out of the box and stick them into the lemon, with the wooden ends going in and the sulfur tips pointing outward. Use at least a dozen. The more, the better. Let me explain how it works. Place the prepared lemon directly on the ant nest or wherever you often see ants. You'll notice the first results within minutes, and the problem will be gone after about an hour. The matches absorb the lemon juice, which triggers the sulfur to dissolve. This natural combination drives ants away effectively and keeps them from coming back. There's no need to spend money on expensive products. What you already have at home is enough. It's a cheap, safe, and effective way to deal with ants in your garden, on your patio, or inside your home. Rub soap on the front door. Yes, regular soap. It may sound unimpressive, but its properties might surprise you. Rub it thoroughly into the bottom edge of the door. Don't be stingy. It's especially worth doing this on balcony doors, where dust and small particles often collect. You can also gently spread soap on the bottom window frames. A thin, well-distributed layer is enough, especially on the sides and in the corners. It works quickly, leaves no traces, and ants start avoiding these areas entirely. There's one more simple method. Grate a bit of soap, preferably using the coarse side of a grater. Pour it into a small bowl and add a tablespoon of instant coffee. Mix it. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil, cover the bowl with it, and poke a few holes using a toothpick. Set it near the door, including balcony doors, somewhere it won't get stepped on. 2 simple steps. Neither of them seems like much, but give them a few days, and ants will never visit your home again. Ants will not return for the next few years. You will get rid of ants and aphids with 100% effectiveness. This is my favorite natural ant spray. It's made from cucumber. It works wonders. Few people know that cucumber is so effective. The bitter ingredient in it acts like poison to ants. Cut it into slices and put them in a blender. Add a glass of vodka to the cucumbers. Blend everything until you get a smooth consistency. Then strain through a sieve to get rid of the cucumber remnants. Add 2 tablespoons of shampoo or liquid soap and mix thoroughly. Now just pour the ready solution into a spray bottle. Your natural ant spray is ready. Now you just need to spray the places where you notice insects. This spray not only repels ants, but is also safe for household members. It's a poison that ants avoid. Additionally, vodka and shampoo help in effective application. They make the mixture more effective due to the stronger scent. I hope this method will be as helpful for you as it has been for me. Sprinkle pepper under doors and windows. It might sound like nonsense, but it actually works incredibly well. This is a really clever trick. Unfortunately, many of us deal with ants in the garden or on the patio. With this method, you can get rid of them in just seconds. It only takes a moment. Ants usually follow the same path when trying to get somewhere. If you've spotted their route, that's perfect. Just grab some pepper and sprinkle it along their trail. Ants won't walk through pepper. It's an impassable barrier for them, but the most important areas to treat are the entrances to your home. Sprinkle pepper under your doors and windows, and you'll be able to say goodbye to ants in your house for good. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good.